Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Hey, guys, we'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, guys. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. We'll get started. Welcome, everyone. This evening is stocks, options, and ETFs. Stocks, options, and ETFs. We'll get started shortly. We'll get started shortly. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Stocks, options, and ETFs. We'll get started shortly. We'll get started shortly. All right, all right. Let's go and get started. Hey, Kawisi, welcome. All right, guys. I'm going to share my screen here. All right. All right. Okay. So the markets have been, we've had some selling this week. All right. So the good news is you guys should see my chart here. All right. So the good news is we got some buy-in today. All right. This was a concern right here. If you guys look here on the NASDAQ right here, and by the way, the VIX is moving higher. All right. This was a concern right here. All right. All right. This was a concern right here. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right. This red candle here, guys, red candle here yesterday, and it held today, right? So this was important to have an update today. All right. So we had an update today. So the NASDAQ held support, and we've got pretty good support here. And the hope is we'll get continued buying, okay? One second here. Tomorrow and into next week. Okay. All right. All right. So we do have pretty good support. And like I said, it held. Support held today. So that's good news. Okay. All right. So support right here, which it held. All right. So if we take a look, all right, if we take a look right here, all right, and we've got pretty good support. We've got pretty good support right here. Support right here. All this here is support. All right. So remember, we want to pay attention to these levels, right? All this area right here, very important. All right. Even right here, right here, right here, and it held, right? Had it gotten through that support today, right, we might have gotten a sell signal, right, to be out of stocks, kind of like this. All right. So we had a white candle, small red candle. I know it's hard to see yesterday, but today we got a white candle. Hopefully tomorrow get a green candle and start moving up, back up again to now test this resistance here. All right. So it is a bit of concern. It is a concern, that the market pull back a bit. All right. But here's support. Here's support. So that's good. All right. That's good. All right. Now that's on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at um, the Dow. Right. Well, let's take a look at the Russell. Russell is very similar to the NASDAQ. Gave a small red candle yesterday. Right. Small red candle right here and held. Here is support here. So really had a difficult time, but held it. Right. So what we would like to see, just like it held it here and then moved higher, we would like to see the price hold, right, above support here, this support line, and then, right, continue to move higher. All right. So hopefully that's a turning point and we can get back to near the highs and start breaking the highs and have this Christmas rally. All right. I'll open the floor for questions once we've gotten through these. All right. On the S&P, I just want to go through these indexes here. On the S&P, same thing here on the S&P. No red candles though, right? So held, you guys see that? Held support right here. Held support. So that's really, really good. Green candle. So on the S&P, not only did it, hold support, we've got a follow-up green candle here, and that's a very bullish sign, right? That's a very bullish sign. All right. And then the last one is the Dow. We didn't get any white candles or red candles on the Dow, so that's good. All right. It didn't pull back as much as the others. All right, here we go. All right, so here's the Dow. Here is the Dow here. All right, so it held support. No No white candles, no red candles, so that's good. Green candles, all right. Nice bounce today, so hopefully continue to move higher. So solid in the markup phase, solid in the markup phase, okay? So no red candles like this, right? So, but I have to say, we've had selling all week. Today was the first day in the equity markets that we've had buying come in. So the selling came in on Monday, and it has lasted all week until today. All right. The VIX has gone up, right? So the VIX is at 22. You guys remember it had gotten down to 19, right? So it has come, it came up a bit, right? So we want this market to move, VIX has to go down, right? We do not want it to continue to go higher. So, all right. As far as the sectors, we're going to take a look at the sectors. Had a nice update today on the sectors, right? Telecom had a nice day. Tech had a nice day too, right here. Consumer discretionary, but materials right here. Materials is still the number one, right? Materials, consumer staples. So they're all holding. I'm surprised the sectors are holding like this. All right. So gold, let's see, gold here. That's holding. Silver, industrial, right? Silver's making new highs. Well, not new highs, near-term highs right here. And industrial. So the sectors look good, right? They're holding, no breakdown in the sectors yet. All right. Healthcare, there's healthcare here, getting ready to test resistance. So you guys should be looking at healthcare stocks, right? That's a really good chart right there. All right. Healthcare, utilities, right? Utilities holding, financials, right? Financials. This is a concern here with financials. All right. We needed to hold right here. So we needed to hold support right here, right? We don't need any red candles. We do have white candles here. All right. So we don't need any red candles like here. We needed to hold. All right. Home construction, right? That's holding right there nicely. Technology. Got a nice bounce. All right. So health support, you guys see that, right? Very important that we hold support. So here is support here. Here is support right here on tech, right here. And it's holding nicely. White candles. If you guys look here, all right, if you guys look here, pretty good resistance becomes support. Buy signal was here. Here is support. It held here, here, and now here. But look here, white candle, this white candle here. Whenever we get a white candle, especially near support, followed by a green candle, you see here a lot of buying, right? So white candles here, green candle right here, very, very bullish. Okay, and hopefully we can get past this purple support and resistance. So, all right, this is considering the week we've had. This is encouraging. This is definitely encouraging. All right, any questions for me so far, guys? Any questions? Any questions? All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's tech. And the rest of them are holding, right? Let's take a look at energy. I think energy pullback here. So we out of energy. You should see your gas prices come down. All right. So energy is moving lower right here. All right. And the thing to look for in energy, I know none of you guys don't do any puts, but this might be an opportunity. So we might get an opportunity like this here, a move like this, right? See where it's failing here, price is failing right here to make new highs. So we could get back down in this area in here, all right? Pretty good support right here, all right? At a minimum, perhaps in this area down in here, okay? But it looks like it wants to get to that support. Almost identical buy and sell signals, okay? So if we look here, almost identical. Here's our buy signal here, buy signal here, all right? So almost identical, all right? Sell signal here, all right? Sellers came in and that failed, okay? So yeah, we could see a move down lower, all right? All right, any questions on this, guys? Any questions on this? All right. All right. Now, I want to take a look at, let's go back here. Hold on. Stock boss. The encouraging news is this, right? We're still seeing stocks in stock boss. All right. So even after the selling this week, we're still getting stocks in stock boss. A lot of healthcare stocks. So if you guys look here, right? Let's take a look at healthcare. All right. So still seeing opportunities in healthcare. That's a really nice, there's a really nice markdown phases here, right? Are you guys in any positions, any stock positions? You guys in any stock positions? Kawisi, are you in any stock positions? Are you on the sideline? Solomon, how
I'm
about
sorry,
you?
David. No, I'm
No?
not. I'm kind of selling all of my stocks because I'm in between jobs. But one of these days,
Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right, let's take a look at technology down here. And technology has been holding, so let's see here. And this is stock boss. All right. Here's a nice one here. All right, no buy signal yet. And here is one here with a buy signal that failed. All right. 1 second here. All right. This is definitely one to put on your radar. All right. Really good markdown phase. It fell from 140. Look at that, guys. $140. It fell from. All right. So 140 right here. Right here. 140 to $5. All right. Nice markdown phase. Look here. We always want to pay attention to the markdown phase. Nice markdown phase, right? From about $60 to $5. $5, guys. All right. A bit of consolidation in here, right? Buy signal failed here. So that's an area of concern right here. All right. So between 60 to 80, right? But from here to here, right, we don't have any no consolidation. All right. We have a bit in here, right? Right here. Resistance, support. So in this area, that might follow through. Crooked line here. All right, and then this area here. But from here, I would say from here to here, not bad trading. We still need buyers to come in. All right, so we need green candles, buyers to come in. But that's not a bad setup there. Really nice markdown phase. When we look at markdown phases, that's what we want. We want really clean markdown phase. All right. All right. Now let's take a look at Bullmaster. Bullmaster. Let's see here. Healthcare. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right. Let's see here. I think this is auto stock right here. All right. Pretty good here. Looking to break resistance right here. All right. No buy signal yet. This is a nice one here. Oh, look at that gap up. That's a huge gap up. This gapped up. Wow. This gapped up. Look at this. You guys see this? You see this gap up here? So it gapped up from $36. And this was yesterday to, let's see here, $36 to, and closed, right? Closed yesterday from 36, I said 36 to 104. In one day it gapped up, guys. Look at that. And then buying continued today, right? 117. So amazing gap up on this trade here. Amazing gap up. All right. All right. That's healthcare, biotech. So this is probably news driven. All right. Let's see here. All right. Okay. All right. As far as the Dow, want to take a look at the Dow. Okay. Let's take a look at the Dow. All right. Let's take a look at the Dow. Here's the Dow here. All right. Closed today. And let's see here. At 33, right here. 33,781. 33,781. So right here, all right, still green candles here, green candles here, green candle here, all right. A bit of a pullback. This is this week's pullback here so far, this candle right here. But guys, we're still near the all-time highs, okay? So if buyers come back in, all right, buyers come back in, we could still test this area in here, all right? But we've got to be nimble. Right now, the futures are down a bit, all right, down a bit. So let's take a quick look at that. All right, so here's the futures here. Here's the futures market. So we're down a bit right now. Let me show you guys right here. We're down a bit right here. All right, but down to flat, down to flat. All right. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? Any questions? If not, we're just gonna finish up. All right. We've had a long week, right? Long week, crazy markets this week. All right. So we want to rest up and get going again on Sunday. All right. Solomon will do your installation tomorrow, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. You've got everything set up, all your trade station accounts all set up?
Yes, I opened the Forex, but they yet to create it for me. I created an account, but I haven't gotten a confirmation yet.
Okay, but your trade station is set up, right?
It's set up. Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, so we'll take care of that tomorrow. All right. So we're gonna call it a day here. It's a slow night. You guys rest up for the weekend, and let's get back to it next week on Sunday. All right. And Solomon, I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Take care, guys. All right. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Mr. David. Have a blessed
Welcome. Welcome. Take care, guys.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir. Yes, sir.